Hello children, in quadratic equation today we will solve practice set 2.6 word problems. See the first question. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. In word problems you need to understand the meaning of the statement first. So here let's talk. You can see it as a story also. Product of Pragati's age. One girl Pragati is there. Her age 2 years ago and 3 years hence. 3 years hence means after 3 years. So suppose Pragati is present age. Okay. Before starting the question, let's understand it. Let us assume this girl Pragati, her present age is suppose 10 years. Okay. So, what was her age 2 years ago, that we have to find. If presently she is 10 years old, 2 years ago she was 8 years. Okay. Now, what is important here to understand that how did you obtain 8? Present age 10 minus how many years back? 2 years ago. So, minus 2. This is how you have obtained her age was 8 years. Simple. 3 years hence, what will be her age? 3 years hence means what? After 3 years. That will be 13 years. Here also, how are you understanding it? 10 years presently she is, and after 3 years her age will increase by 3 years. So, it is 10 plus 3. Okay. So, now we do not know how many years old she is. So, if I assume her present age be X, what must be her age, or what was her age 2 years back? Using this you can write very easily now, X minus 2. Simple. And what will be her age after 3 years? Presently she is X years old, and then she will be X plus 3. This particularly I have given because many times children write for this 3x as they don't understand. See how simple it is. Age is to be increased, that is addition, and previous age you have to subtract. That's it. If this is understood, the rest of the problem is very easy. So this was all for your understanding part. Okay. So every time you read the question, you need to analyze it yourself. Now I start with the question. Let the present age of Pragati be X years. Therefore, her age 2 years ago is equal to X minus 2 years, and 3 years hence will be X plus 3 years. Clear? Now let's go for the condition which will help us to frame the quadratic equation. Product of her ages, product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence, that is product of X minus 2 and X plus 3. These are the two ages, is 84. Find her present age. So we have got, according to the question, we can make the statement of the equation. Product X minus 2 multiplied by X plus 3 is equal to 84. Now we have learned how to express it into the standard form. So here what is the option? Open the bracket. X into X, X square, right? X plus 3 into X into plus 3 will be what? Plus 3X. Now same way this bracket will be multiplied by minus 2. Minus 2 into X, minus 2X. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Shift 84 over left hand side so that RHS can be 0. So you have X square 3 minus 2 X minus 6 minus 84 gives you what? 90 is equal to 0. So this is another important part you have obtained. You have obtained the quadratic equation. Now you need to work out. We normally go with the factorization method. So what is the product here? Coefficient of X square 1. 1 into minus 90. The product is minus 90. Product is negative, so what are we finding? Difference. Difference is what? Coefficient of x, that is 1. Very simple numbers they are, 10 and 9. 10 nines are and 10 minus 1. Now what is the sign of the middle term? Plus. So 10 will be positive and 9 will be negative. Plus 10 minus 90 are the factors needed. Write the factors directly. X square's coefficient being 1, you write x plus 10 into x minus 9 equal to 0. Then 0 product rule. You should be good at factorization method. It will help you. X plus 10 is 0 or x minus 9 is 0. This gives you x is equal to 0 minus 10, that is minus 10, or x is equal to 9. Now again understand, x is what? We have assumed x as her age. Age cannot be negative, so you will reject. X cannot be minus 10. You can write the reason. X is assumed as age. Therefore, the value of x to be accepted is what? 9. The value of x is found 9. So, what will be the answer statement here? Present, what is asked? Find her present age. No? So, present age of Pragati is 9 years. Right? Now, you can verify also. This is just for your understanding. If her present age here is 9 years. Okay. What was her age 2 years back? 9 minus 2, 7. And 9 plus 3, 12. 12 sevens are, product verified is 84. Hope you have understood this. Now see one more question. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 6. Find their present ages. Okay, here also try to understand this story. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. So imagine there are two boys, Vivek and Kishore. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Okay, so this statement will help us to assume the variables, and further the sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 6. This statement will help us to get the quadratic equation which we will solve and find their present ages. Now Vivek is older than Kishore. So just if I say, let Kishore's age suppose is 10 years. Then what will be Vivek's age? Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. So what will be Vivek's age? 15. Again here only you need to understand the logic that how 15? 10 plus 5. That's it. So if I assume Kishore's present age as X suppose. What will be Vivek's age? It will be X increased by 5. X plus 5. Okay. So, if I assume let Kishore's age be X years. So, Vivek's age will be what? X plus 5 years. Now, what is the question? The sum of the reciprocal of their ages. So, what will be the reciprocal of Kishore's age? It is X. Reciprocal will be 1 upon x. Same way reciprocal of Vivek's age will be what? 1 upon x plus 5. And the sum means what? Addition of these two reciprocals is 1 upon 6. So here very easily you get the equation 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay. Now next, very simple, you will go for the standard form and you will work out. Here LCM of x and x plus 5 we need to find, that will be the product of these two terms. So x into x plus 5. X plus 5 multiplied by 1 numerator here and this numerator by x. So you have x plus 5 plus x is equal to 1 upon 6. Simplify the like terms here. X plus x, what do you have? 2x plus 5, okay, upon, open this bracket also, x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. Now cross multiplication. So 2x plus 5 both multiplied by 6. For this put a bracket here. 2x plus 5 whole into 6 is equal to x square plus 5x. Open the bracket again. 6 2s are 12x plus 6 5s are 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now we need to write it into the standard form and we want x square positive. So one more simplifying step is what? Exchange the terms. You may understand why I have done this. In exam we have got already so many things going on in our mind. So these simple steps avoid some mistakes which unknowingly we do. 12x plus 30. And now shift 12x plus 30 over here. X square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 equals 0. So we end up with the standard form of the quadratic equation, x square plus minus, here it will be minus 7x minus 30 equals 0. Which method? Factorization. What was the product here? 1 into minus 30 minus 30. Hence you are finding the difference is minus 7. Numbers are simple numbers, they are very easily you can get 10 and 3. Okay. Difference is negative, so greater number is negative. Minus 10 3 minus 30 minus 10 plus 3 minus 7. Get the factors directly. X minus 10 bracket x plus 3 equals 0. This gives you x minus 10 is 0 or x plus 3 is 0. That gives again x is 10 or x is minus 3. Again you know that x cannot be minus 3. Here also x is representing what? Kishore's present age. Therefore x is 10. Okay. Now again very important part is what? That last mark which is reserved for the answer. Find their present ages. So write the proper answer. Present age of first person Kishore. What was his age assumed as? X. That is 10 years. Other person Vivek. Vivek's age has come x plus 5. That is 10 plus 5. That is 15 years. Okay. Coincidentally, what numbers we have assumed, those only are our answers. So Kishore is 10 years old, Vivek is 15 years old, and I hope that these age problems you will find very easy if you could imagine and work out very carefully. They are very easy in between left questions. Please do yourself. Next class, that is next video, I shall take star questions. Okay.